Hey, so this video we're going to be unboxing an iPhone. The iPhone 16s and 16 Pros have come out. As you probably know, it's all over the internet, all over social media. But today you'll see a lot of these videos on YouTube and social media, but I think this is just my take on it. So my iPhone's arrived in the mail, so let's get into it. They have the thing similar to last year. Pull this off here. So lays like that. Alright, so it kind of looks like this. That's what the box is. Then there's these tabs where we can pull it out. And grab the phone like this. This is my first look at this box, not first look, but first time holding it, holding this box like that. Yeah. Right, so there's these two tabs. We pull it off. Yeah. This other one here. Last one. Yeah, I do need to get a case for it. Haven't ordered yet, so this is the part where it should come off. Inside it's the same. So this is what the phone looks like. Yeah, looks pretty similar to the 15. Quite similar actually. So inside the box is like this. So this is a bit different than last year. There was I think like there was like an Apple sticker and the SIM pins here now. So last year there was like previous years there was like two compartments. The cable was here, and then the SIM ejector and the Apple stickers were here, and some instructions. Yeah, so this year they've cut down on that. The cable seems to be a little bit long, but probably not. It's just how they wrapped it around. Looks like that. So the phone itself, like this. 3 camera lenses. I got the I think it was titanium black, was it? I forgot the color, but it's definitely black. And then the front, we peel that off. Oh, I can see my glare. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Feels it feels a little bit lightweight, but I don't know if it's the same weight as last year's. But yeah, pretty much, because I'm using the 15 at the moment, 15 Pro at the moment to record this video, so I can't show the comparisons. I've got limited amount of devices and that, but we'll just have a look here. So pretty much the same, the USB-C, where they introduced that last year. And then there's the, I think, speaker and the microphone, that one. And then on the side we have the volume buttons up and down, and then there's the SIM, where you put your SIM card in. I think it's only for Australia and New Zealand. The ones in the US, they have eSIM now, so there might be a bit of a difference regarding that. And then on the other side we have the power button here. yeah, we have the power button here, and then this new thing here, you know, this is the new thing. I believe this is the camera as the button, you know, where you can go like that and you can just take, you know, photos. They're trying to, I guess, incorporate like a photography on your iPhone, you know, on your, so that this button is new for sure. It wasn't here. Definitely not here. Let me try and press that. Oh, it's a physical button. Yeah, if you can hear that. So it sounds similar to the power button, but it's slightly thinner. Don't know if you can see that. So this power button is slightly raised a little bit, and then this one is level with this surface here. If you can see. Yeah, if you can tell there. Yeah. But I'm not gonna set up yet. I don't have a case for it, so I don't want to be using a phone without a case. I'm still waiting for my case to arrive. Yeah, I got my case from Phone Rebel, you know, everything Apple Pro. So I got it from them this year. See what their cases are like. Last year I got a Caseify case, which you saw in the videos last year. So I'll probably be doing would this case fit in with the 15 Pro, like comparison, see if I can fit this case in there. It might not fit, but I'll probably see how that goes. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. You know, it's probably a short video, but wait till the cases, and I need to get a camera lens protector as well, and I need to get a screen protector. So quite a bit of items still waiting, you know, for me to be able to use this phone and replace the phone that I'm using to record on right now. So when I have that all sorted, I'll try and make a video and put it up on here, you know. But in the meantime, thank you for, you know, watching this video. You probably, it's only, I think, like it's under 10 minutes, but thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Yeah, when I put it on. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.